County, west central Tazewell County, southwestern Peoria County, until 8 p.m. At 7:32 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over St. David, or near Canton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. At 7:25 p.m., a tornado was reported northwest of Lewistown. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Glassford around 7:50 p.m.